This is the ancient Greek remedy buttercream, and it is fabulous. Both my husband and I, we love using it, and it is so creamy and moisturizing. It's also vegan, as well as it doesn't have any chemicals, and it's also non-GMO and paraben-free as well. This is so moisturizing, and it's full of essential oils, like olive oil, sunflower oil, jojoba oil, castor oil, sunflower oil, and lavender oil too. And it's such a nice thick formula, and it's perfect to put all over your body. And you can use this daily too. And your skin is just gonna feel so soft and moisturized and supple. You can even use this on your hair, on your face, and all over your body, from your feet to your elbows to your knees and everywhere in between. You can even use this on your face too. And all you have to do is put it on clean, damp skin when you put it on your face, and it will last all day long. Super moisturizing. And I just love this so much, and you will too. You will be surprised of how moisturizing this actually is. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. This is what the front of the bottle looks like, and it's very pretty. And it also has an easy to pull off lid, and this is the spout. And look how thick this is. Thick and moisturizing. Check that out. And it feels so good, and you can put it on your cuticles as well as your elbows too, and all over your body. And it feels so soft and smooth. It also has a nice lavender fragrance, which I really love too. I was sent this from Ancient Greek Remedy to evaluate, and I absolutely love it. And you will too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.